Hi boys and girls. So I'm going to be showing you a little demonstration of a solid figure that is made up of two rectangular prisms. As you can see, I have a larger rectangular prism over here. It's the one wrapped in the stripe wrapping paper, and I have a smaller rectangular prism on top. It's the one that is with the polka dots. Okay, so on your work for today, you're going to be finding the volume of solid figures that look sort of like this, that are made up of two different rectangular prisms. So I'm going to be taking you through how to find the length, width, and height of each individual prism. So when you're given a model on your paper, the first thing you're going to have to kind of look for is a place to split it. So in mine, you can easily see where the wrapping paper changes. That's where I would split this shape. Okay, so let's call this one shape A, the striped shape, and this one would be shape B, the polka dot shape. So let's find the length, width, and height of this shape. Okay, so the length here is given to me. This is 10 meters. Now, just want to make a note that this is obviously not drawn to scale. Okay, I had to work with the materials and the sizes of boxes that I had at my house. So we're just going to pretend that this actually is 10 meters long. All right, so we have 10 meters is the length here. And then this one, of course not drawn to scale, is 9 meters wide. So I have my length is 10, my width is 9, and then I'm looking for the height. Okay, I do see that the height is given to me over here, 7 meters high, which would also mean that this height is 7 meters high, which would also mean that from here down is also 7 meters high. Remember, opposite sides in a rectangle are equivalent. So if this is 7, then from here down is 7. So I would find my volume of figure A, or my stripe figure, by doing 10 times 9 times 7. Now I want to bring your attention over to this long side here. This one represents 12 meters. Now as you can see, this 12 meters is part of my striped shape, but it's also part of my polka dot shape here. So my 12 meters, I can't use that entire 12 meters to say it's the height of figure A, because it's actually the height of figure A and B stacked on top of one another. So I would have to just use the part of this one that is from here down, which we used our opposite ends to help us. If this is 7, if this is 7, then this down is 7. Okay, and that's where that 7 height came from. Now let's find the dimensions of the top figure here. So I want to find the length. Now the length is usually how long it is across. And again, this is not drawn to scale. These boxes are not to scale here with the measurements. So we're just pretending that this is more of a rectangular shape. Okay, this would be my length. I don't have a measurement here. So let's see if the opposite side does. Nope, no length there. But what do we see? 4 meters long. So we can say if this is 4 meters, then this is 4 meters, then this is 4 meters. Okay, so my length is 4. Now how wide, how far back does my shape go? I don't have any measurement here. I don't have any measurement here. Don't have any measurement here. Remember, these are all opposite sides. All of those would be my width. I do have 9 meters wide. It goes 9 meters back. Now if you look, I'm gonna just zoom out here. If this is 9, then this is 9, then this is 9, but guess what? This is 9, and this should be 9, and it is. As you can see, my figure it's flush on either side here. Okay, so my width is 9. And how about my height? How tall is it? Well, remember, this 12 meters was the entire height, so I would have to just get this piece. Do you remember how we said from here down is 7? So how many more would this be in order for it to be 12? Well, if this is 7, then 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 5 would be the height here. And then this would be 5. And there's another 5. That's just confirming what I just found out. So now we have the volume of figure B. The top dot box here would be found by doing 4 times 9 times 5. And what you would do is solve your volume for B, solve your volume for A, and then you would combine or add those two volumes together to get the volume of the total figure. Okay, I hope this demonstration helped you on today's math work.